Hey guys, we are back with another YouTube video, and this is the binary project. It is project 3 for White Hat Jr. and it's called the binary project, and we have to create a lock using binary strings, and each of these uses 16 numbers, which all the zeros are for off and all the ones are for on. So this is what it should look like whenever we are done with this coding project. So let's go into the code. Okay, so the first variable is row_1, and it has all zeros. The first two rows have all zeros, so it's going to be row 1 and row 2 that are off because they have all zeros. So we can get two variables right now, and row_1, and then we can make this one row_2. So this one is all zeros, and the one binary string has 16, so it has to have 16 zeros. So that's 16 zeros. That's that, but we need to make it in double quotes, otherwise the code will not work. Okay, now another one, again, 16 zeros. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Now we have to do the quote. So now our next line is row_3, which is 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. So that's 5 zeros, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ones, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros again. So we will get another variable, and it's going to be called row_3, and then we need our quotes, and then it says 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ones, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros again, and then we close it off with our quotes. Another one, which will be row_4. We can go back and we see that it's 4 zeros this time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 ones, and 4 zeros again. So we have our quotes: 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we can close it with our quotes. Now, row 5. We can write that down, and then we can do our quotes. Now we can go back and we see that it's 3 zeros, 2 ones. So let's write that down real quick. 3 zeros, 3 zeros and 2 ones, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros, and 2 ones again, and then 3 zeros. Then close it up with our quotes. Now row 6, I'm going to do all the rows real quick, so let me do that. I did all of the rows. There's 16 rows to this project. So now we have to go back to row_6, and row 6 has 3 zeros and 2 ones, so it's basically the same thing as row 5. So we just copy row 5. So we can get this, and then we can copy, Control C, and then we can paste is Control V, but we have to do our quotes. So I'm gonna close the quote, and then it's the same for 7 and 8. So we can just copy and paste it all over again. And it's the same for 8. Yep. So we can also again copy that and then paste that and then close off with our quotes. Now, row 9 is 2 zeros and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 ones and then 2 zeros again. So let's do that. Two zeros, 1, 2, 3. Okay, we did that. Oh, wait, we have to close off. 1 second. Did row 9. Now you have to do row 10. Which, if we go back to our project, row 10 has 2 zeros, so it's basically the same thing as row 9. So, like we did in the last one, we can get that, Control C, and then we can go here, and then Control V, and then we can close it off with our brackets, or quotes, and then we can go back to our project, and we see row 11 has 2 zeros, 5 ones, 2 zeros, 5 ones, and 2 zeros. So it's like a pattern. And so now that that's done, we can do that. And now we have to do our quotes and go back. So for row 12, it's 2 zeros first, 4 ones, 4 zeros, 4 ones, and 2 zeros. So it's 2 zeros. Let's write that. 2 zeros, 4 ones, 4 zeros.
That's your guys's.
4 ones, 4 zeros, 4 ones, and then 2 zeros. And then 2 zeros. So, and then we have to close it with our bracket, and that's good. Row 13, we have to do this, our quote, and we can go back to the project, and we can see it is, it's row 13, so it's 2 zeros, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones, 2 zeros, 5 ones, 2 zeros. So 2 zeros, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones, 2 zeros, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones, and then 2 zeros, and let's check if that's correct. That should be correct. And then we can close it with our bracket. And then we are on row 14, so that is going to be the same thing. Let's see. 2 zeros, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones, and here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So I think that is going to be copy. We can copy that, and then we can paste, and then we can close it with our things, our quotes. Now quote, and let's go. We are on row 15. Row 15 has 2 zeros, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 ones and 2 zeros. So let's go do that. 1, 2 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And then 2 zeros. And then we can close it with our quote. And then do that with our quote and line 16. So which is all zeros. So we can just copy that. And then copy, Control C, Control V to paste it. And then do that. So that at the end. And then the background color, you can make it whatever you want to make it. I did it red, but I'm gonna try blue because I've not done blue and it's my favorite color. Oh. Hold on. Found out the problem in the code. I did one of them wrong. It was row 9. It's supposed to be 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Supposed to be 12 ones instead of 11. I think I said 12 and then I accidentally did 11. So now we did the background color, which is red, and then we run and it makes this beautiful look. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe. Thank you all for watching. Bye.